Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your memories into Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat app, just simply click into your memories option from here. And after going to the memories section, you can see all of your saved memory. You just simply have to click that you want to delete. Step 2. Delete the memory. And after selecting the memory that you want to delete, just simply click into these three dots into the top right corner. And after clicking there, you can see this delete snap option. Just simply click into that and confirm the delete by tapping to delete again. By following the similar steps that I did in this video, you can also delete your memories in Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.